How did trial by combat work for medieval nobility? Have you ever wondered how disputes were settled among the nobility in medieval Europe? One fascinating method was trial by combat. This practice was used when other legal options were not available or deemed insufficient. It was believed that divine intervention would favor the just party, making the outcome a matter of divine judgment. The process began when one noble accused another of a crime or disputed a claim, such as land ownership or honor. If they could not resolve the issue through witnesses or evidence, the accuser could challenge the accused to a trial by combat. Before the duel, both parties would swear oaths to affirm the righteousness of their cause. Combatants were usually knights or noble champions. They fought with weapons like swords, maces, or axes, depending on local customs and the nature of the dispute. The duel could take place on foot or horseback. The fight continued until one party was killed, seriously wounded, or surrendered. The victor was seen as having God's favor, thus proving their claim or innocence. In some cases, nobles could appoint champions to fight on their behalf. This was common if they were unable or unwilling to fight personally. These champions were highly skilled warriors who risked their lives to defend their patron's honor and rights. The stakes were incredibly high. Losing could mean death, loss of property, or social disgrace. Because of this, trial by combat was both a legal and social event. It was often conducted with formal rituals and witnessed by peers or even royalty. Trial by combat reflected the social structure of the time, where nobility held military and judicial power. Personal honor was of utmost importance. This method enforced justice in a society where written laws and courts were still developing. It relied on martial skill and the belief in divine will. Over time, trial by combat became less common as more formal legal systems emerged. However, it remained a notable aspect of medieval noble culture for centuries. Understanding this practice gives us a glimpse into the lives of medieval nobility and their unique social structures.